Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are doing a unboxing of the brand new collection that Spectrum Collections has just released, the Pantherine collection. And oh my god, it is a beauty. You girls are gonna absolutely love this. So what's in the collection, I'll show you in just a second, but before I do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And did you get that cuppa? Let's get into the video. Okay, so I will quickly go through what the whole collection is, and then we're going to create a very quick look using the brand new eyeshadow palette. This is absolutely stunning and you are going to love it. I think it's just suitable for anybody, whether you're a beginner, an expert, whatever, because it's just absolutely beautiful. So here is the brand new collection from Spectrum Collection. I absolutely love it. Okay, so first up we have this gorgeous makeup bag. I mean, just look how cute. It's like a little clutch bag. Excuse my nails, I need to fix them. So it's like a little clutch bag where you can put all your makeup in. You know, you could even like go out with this in it for the evening, couldn't you? It's a pouch makeup bag and it's just so cute. I absolutely love it. It's really cute, and I just love how they just think of everything. They from the makeup bag to everything, it just still looks so good. And I love Spectrums. They are one of my fave brands out there. Then I got myself some of the blending buds. So I think I went for the palette. There was a bundle. I think I did the bundle. I'm sure I did. And then that was with the brush set and then the sponge as well. Can't remember. I'll have to double check, but I'm sure it was like some sort of bundle. So this is the 5-piece eye brush set. I'm absolutely loving the colour of them. They're like a brown. They're gorgeous. So here's the eye set. Stunning. And then we've got the face set in these, and these little pouches come in handy. I've literally got the ones from the Zodiac collection. I've got my stencils in there that I do for the swatches of the eyeshadows and that, so they're really cool. And then this is the face brushes. They are all stunning. Okay, and then we have the palette. This is absolutely gorgeous. So normally their palette, this is completely different to what they normally do with their palettes in. Absolutely stunning. It's classy, it's elegant, it's just absolutely beautiful. So you've got the print there, and then you have your 9 shades there. How beautiful is this? And we're going to create a look today doing something. We'll figure it out. And then there's the names of the colours just there. Okay, so this, you can use natural toned, you know, looks. You can do wild looks. You can create whatever looks you want with these. And yeah, oh my god, I wish I was on holiday. This would be definitely going on holiday with me. So you can use it in the summer, winter, autumn, spring. It's one of those versatile palettes that you can just use anywhere, any season, any occasion. I just absolutely love it. So I'm actually going to use the brushes from the Pantherine collection. I love the name. So I'm going to go in with, oh my god, I'll leave all the details down below so you guys can go and check out all this collection because you guys are going to love it. Okay, let's go in. Just get my mirror. Let's go in with the B11, and we'll go in with Kitten, which is this shade right here, into the crease and see what we can create. I've already put my foundation on and my bronzer. I thought I'd get that over and done with, and then we can just apply all the eye stuff and the highlight and that after. Just take a clean brush, nice clean fluffy brush, and then just make sure they're matching. Then we're going to go in with V-line, which is this one here. Okay, I'm just going to add this to the corners and then blend into the crease, and I'm using the A12 brush. Okay, and then I'm just going to blend this out. I'm going to go in with Fierce, which is this shade right here. Apply that onto the lid. My finger, that's gorgeous. Oh wow, that is absolutely stunning. It's so soft as well. It just feels like really buttery. Buttery, yeah. actually get a stunning colour to just put all over the eye. It's absolutely beautiful. Stunning. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in with Pearl, which is slightly darker, and then just really blend that into the crease, just to give it some definition and really stand out. With a blending brush and then just blend that out slightly. Everything blends together nicely. That's that. Nearly 5 minutes, it'll be ready. Now I'm going to dip back into Feline and Kitten and then just go. I'm going to go in using the A16 and I'm just going to dip it into the shimmer one if it lets me. See if I can pick it up. Drag it across the bottom as well, just so you get that little sparkle underneath. Go in using Wild, which is this shade here. I'm going to put that in the middle, in the tear duct, that bit there like that. Okay, give it that little pop of colour there. There's that. And then I'm going to go back in with this and then I'm going to just put the same colour if it lets me. Yeah, it has. And just go into my eyebrows with highlight. There you go. And then I'm just going to finish off the look using the Dark Matter mascara. So all the products I'm using today are from Spectrums. I thought I might just make it a whole Spectrums video because they are such a fab brand. I absolutely love them. I have probably got all of their collections when it comes to the brushes. I'm obsessed. How have I got eyeshadow there? Sorry about that, just get the foundation out and then there you go, it's all gone. I've got some on my nose. Let that dry out and I'll show you a little tip to get that gone, but so it doesn't make more mess. Okay, so to get rid of that you need a spoolie, how you say it, and then once it's dry just take the spoolie and voila, disappeared. And if it has made a mark then just get your foundation brush, go over it and Bob's your uncle. It's gone. Just a little tip for you guys if you ever get, you smudge your mascara whilst you were applying on your face and you've done your foundation. That's just a little tip from me. Enjoy and you're welcome. That was free of charge. Okay, so that is the eye look. Now I've got my bronzer on, so let's do some highlight and then lipstick. Oh, buzz. Okay, so we're gonna go in with Sun Ray highlight, absolutely stunning. And then we're gonna use the angled brush here. No, hello, what am I about? We're gonna use the highlight brush which we've got here. So I'm just gonna take some of that. This is absolutely stunning. It's got like pearl, like gold and silver, no, gold and rose gold pearls on it. And it's just, gorgeous. And then I'm just going to apply here. How stunning is that? Absolutely beautiful. Comes in Moonlight as well, which is more of a pinky highlight, but I thought this one would go quite nice because of colour. Oh, it's absolutely stunning. Can you guys see it? Beautiful. Okay, so that's that. And then we're going to go in with, where are my lipsticks? Looks so nice, wouldn't it? Is Venus a bit too much? Is it too red? Yeah, that's too red. That doesn't go. No. It's about Element. So we've got Element. Nope, that doesn't go. Yeah, these are the Spectrum Zodiac lipsticks as well. I think this is too pinky. That's too pink. No. I have got the other two. Where are they? Okay, so the lipstick I wanted to use, I can't find it. I don't know where it's disappeared to. It's just, I think it's probably in one of my bags somewhere. So we're just going to go in with the next closest nude that we've got, which is Element. But it's Cosmos that I use, and it's really nice, and that'll go perfect. So I'm going to put this on. Okay, it doesn't go. Like I said, the other one would have gone much better, I think. Maybe if I put a bit of this on, that'll look. Okay, I've just put a little bit of Venus on, which is that red, which is this shimmery red there, and I think that will go really nice. So this is the look that I have created using the brand new Pantherine palette and used obviously all the brushes from Spectrum. I absolutely love what this brand stands for. All the products are cruelty free and vegan, so you know you're going to be looked after with these girls. Absolutely amazing. The clutch bag is beautiful, and yeah, so when you're going to, and literally it will feel so much makeup in there, it's unbelievable. So yeah, that's it guys. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so grateful to have you here. Honestly, I am just overwhelmed with all the love and support that I've been getting lately. It really means a lot, and the more that you do, the more I want to do more videos for you guys. And you know, with my eyes, you guys have been really supportive and telling me that I should be doing more, which I'm trying to, because I want to get better and hopefully share with you guys some amazing looks. So we're growing together and learning as well throughout this journey. So guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.